Hey everyone, struggling with Valorant's error VAN79? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all fix, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the best troubleshooting steps to try. Let's get your game back online. First, open the Start menu and search for Services. In the Services window, scroll down or press V on your keyboard to find VGC. Double-click it and set Startup Type to Automatic. Hit Apply and OK to save. Next, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. You can find command in description, netsh winsock reset, then type ipconfig/flushdns and enter again. Now, open Settings greater than Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any pending updates. This is crucial. Once done, restart your network. Unplug, router reset. Finally, restart your PC and launch Valorant. If the error's gone, great. If not, comment below. I'll help troubleshoot further. If this fixed your issue, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tech tips. Let me know what error I should cover next. Thanks for watching. Game on.